Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how you can share a social marketing piece that you've created in your KW Canva account, how you can take that social marketing piece and share it as a social post using Command. So the first thing we want to do is, of course, log into our Command platform. From there, we want to navigate to our marketing applet, which looks like a megaphone in your left-hand menu bar. So we're going to go and select that. From here, we're going to navigate to Canva, okay? That's where you're going to create any social marketing, any print marketing, and of course, any other type of marketing you would like to create, you can also create in here. Now, for today's example, we're going to go ahead and use this 4th of July social piece that we've just created in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, we've already customized it a little bit. So we've got our logo, we've got our agent photo. You can, of course, remove those if they're not needed, if you don't need them for your post. I'm going to move the SLM to the center and put this back to bright. I'm going to center this. And then I'm going to download this, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click share. We're going to download either as a JPEG or PNG. I'm going to do a JPEG, and we're going to do download. Now, once that's downloaded to our computer, we're going to go ahead and go into our Command account again, okay? And from here, we're going to either click Create Social Posts, or we're going to go into Social Posts and click Create Social Posts there, okay? So either of those two ways are going to get you to the same place. So let's go ahead and then select the profiles we'd like this to go to. You should be able to select from anything that's connected. If you have Facebook, Instagram, or X connected, you should be able to select any of those three or all three. And then from there, we're going to move into our content, okay? This is where you can then add media. And we can go ahead and drag that photo that we downloaded into that box. We can then crop it. This obviously is not a perfect square. So if we need it to be a wide, if we need to do a free is going to be best for this specific image because as you can see, it's not cropping anything out. And then we can go ahead and click crop. Then we have our preview on the right-hand side for any of the platforms that we've decided to share this to. We can add any text that we'd like to right here. You can also add any emojis that you might like. Let's do flag. Actually, let's do USA. Nope. There we go. Got our American flag. It didn't like that. There it is. Oh, maybe that's putting it. Usually it shows the actual image, but they might have adjusted that as well. No. Just doesn't like that flag. Okay, well, it's not going to do the flag. We're going to leave it. Let's try just a simple heart then. There we go. So now we have our preview of our content with our photo. If we did not include our logo or the ownership statement, we can go ahead and apply those. They should pull from your marketing profile and it would apply them to the very bottom of the design, okay? So you'll see the disclaimer here and the logo here. Same as this image. Then we can either publish this immediately by selecting this option or schedule this. Maybe we want to schedule this out for the 4th of July in gosh, about a week or so. And then we can set the time. Do you want this to go or at 10 a.m.? Do you want it to go later, earlier, whatever you'd like? And then you can go ahead and click schedule post, okay? It's going to allow you to preview those images and schedule again. Once that is scheduled, you'll be able to see it on your calendar. So if we go forward, you'll see we have 2 scheduled for July 4th to Facebook and Instagram. You can also see that down here. Again, you can see the channels that it's scheduled to. You can see that it is scheduled. You can also come in and edit, delete, repost, however you'd like to do that, okay? Once this is scheduled and posted on that platform, you should start to see some of those interactions happening on your platform. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, or if we can help with anything else, please reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.